everyone, welcome to our brand new PostgreSQL series. If you are learning Python, Django or Backend development, then PostgreSQL is one of the most important databases you should know. In this series, we will start from the basics and gradually move towards using PostgreSQL with both Python and finally with Django. Today's video is completely hands-on. We will work with inside the PostgreSQL terminal and also known as psql and understand the basic commands you will use every day. So this comes up with the question, what is psql? So PostgreSQL provides a command line interface called psql. Think of it as a communication bridge between you and the PostgreSQL server. Whatever SQL queries or PostgreSQL commands we write here are executed by the PostgreSQL server. So we have opened our terminal over here. Now we are going to type over here. Postgre is already installed. So Postgre hyphen u then Postgres. I will hit the enter button. Now it is asking me for the password. So this hyphen u is for the user and Postgre is the default super user created during installation that I have already created. Now I will enter the password that I have given. So I have entered the password over here. Yes. Now you can see I am inside my Postgre. So this prompt means we are successfully connected to the PostgreSQL. Now Postgre, this is the current database and super user. Okay. So let us list the databases that are already over here that I have already created before. Type /s. This gives us the databases. Now this we need to see. Database name, owner, encoding and local. Now Postgres is the default database. Postgres is the default database. Template 0 is a clean template and template 1 is the default template used while creating database. Current connection, if we want to check, we will type for the current connection /conn current info info. So this tells us the current database, current user, host, port, very useful while debugging. Now we will list the user. Who are the user? For that I will type the command /du. So Postgre and tester are the super user. For create role, create database, replication, bypass and ILs. Now if we want to see the current database, we are going to type the command select current underscore database. Let us see what is it going to give. So our current database is having one row. Now every SQL commands end with a semicolon. Now if we want to know the current user, we will type select spelling is wrong, ACLECT, select current user and semicolon, we will hit the enter. So no one is the current user since we are in none of the versions or none of the databases. If we are selecting select, now if we want to see the current date and time, we can see it. We will see select and then now NOW. So it is showing the current date, which is 14/7/2026 and the time 22/3/19. So this is the current date and time. Now we can perform simple arithmetic applications. Say suppose select 10 plus 20 and then a semicolon at the end for sure. So we have got 30. Now it's showing question mark column since we have not selected any database. We can do another thing, select 5 into 5 semicolon, we will be getting 25, so on and so forth. Now how can we clear the screen? Control plus L, or we can say Control plus C, or we can simply type CLS. To clear the screen. So our screen is clear and we are out of the Postgre. Now what if I want to get inside the Postgre again? Again I'll have to type the command, if you remember, that is psql, sorry, this will be lowercase, psql hyphen u postgres. I'll hit the enter button. I will enter my password. Now I'm inside my Postgre. Now suppose I want to generate help. For that I can type slash question mark. I do not want, that's why I'm not selecting. Now slash q is for exiting the Postgre. I am not telling you that. So we have learned till this. So congratulations, you have taken the first step into PostgreSQL by learning how to use the PSQL terminal and execute basic commands. In the next video, we will create our first database, understand how databases are organized, and learn essential database management commands, making sure to practice today's commands before moving on. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in day 2. Thank you.